If you're new to coding, HTML is a great place to start. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's the backbone of every website you see. HTML is a markup language, meaning it uses tags to define the structure of a web page. Let's start with the basics. Every HTML document starts with a doctype declaration, followed by the opening and closing tags. The contents of the web page are placed between these tags. HTML tags are like building blocks. They define different elements and their properties. For example, the h1 greater than tag creates a heading, while the p tag creates a paragraph. Attributes add extra information to tags. They're placed inside the opening tag and can change the appearance or behavior of an element. For example, the class attribute allows you to style multiple elements the same way. To take it a step further, you can nest tags inside each other, creating a hierarchy of elements. This allows you to create more complex structures and layouts for your web page. Once you've written your HTML code, you can preview it in a web browser. Simply save the file with a HTML extension and open it in your browser. And that's the basics of HTML coding. With practice, you can create beautiful and functional websites. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials.